What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, my Soul Squad? Guess what? Welcome back to my kitchen. You saw that thumbnail. It looks good, right? We are doing roasted chicken. I want to do something not that light, not that heavy. Well, not that light, not that heavy, but it's kind of in between, but it's not heavy. We just got over Thanksgiving, but we still got to eat, right? So, welcome to my channel. If you're new, guys, we're almost at 300,000 subscribers. I can't wait. So to get this thing started, you first need a bird. I got a Purdue chicken, whole chicken here that I'm using. I got my oven preheated to 350. And guess what? When I was in the refrigerator, I found 6 potatoes. I'm going to add in here. I'm going to use my potatoes. So this bird has been cleaned, washed, pat down, my hands clean, everything is ready to go. So in here I got my house seasoning. This is my house seasoning in my cup, guys. Use whatever seasoning that you use in your house. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to turn my chicken. Y'all, we done had turkey so long. I done said turkey. I want to turn my chicken up. And what I'm doing is that I'm just getting some seasoning in the inside of that bird. That's all I'm doing, guys. Get some seasoning inside that bird. And the next thing I want to do, take my country cock, or if you have some butter, softened butter, or some margarine, I'm going to peel the skin back because I want it tender. And I'm going to stick that butter up underneath that skin on one side. Look, that fell down in there. About 2 teaspoons. Not to stick your spoon in there, because you know you got to put your spoon back. Okay. And I want to stick that, pull that up some. That skin up some. I just want to push that butter back up in there. I just want to make it moist. Look at that. That's all I want to do. Push that butter up in there. Look at that. That butter up underneath of that skin, y'all. It's just going to drizzle down. And when that thing drizzles down, Lord have mercy. Okay? I'm going to take some olive oil. Place it on this bird. Because guess what? This is going to help with the crispiness. Get that bird golden brown. Not that much. Maybe a tablespoon. All on the legs. Make sure because they got that little button right there. And look how I'm just pushing that butter back. See that butter inside there? Just push it all the way back to the back. And then I'm not going to stick my hand back in my season because I may want to use it for something else. It's because I've been rubbing on this bird. But guess what? Just take your seasoning. Season your bird, guys. Season your bird. It's going to be so flavorful inside and out. And it's going to be, what? Tastes good. I'll rub it underneath it there. I want to get his back. Rub it underneath it there. And what I want to do, I'm going to wash my hands really quick because I want to put some olive oil and seasoning on my potatoes. But I got to wash my hands first. We'll be right back. Alright guys, this bird is nice and seasoned. No, I just say fluids like it's a car. No liquids, no anything that's going in here. On 350 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Maybe 1 hour, 20 minutes. That's all it takes to do is cook this bird, right? So, you're going to be nice and juicy, not overcooked. Take some of this olive oil. And I'm only doing a little bit of olive oil because I want my flavor, I want my seasoning to stick to it. See, look. And y'all hear anything in the background, my granddaughter is in school, virtual learning like everybody else. So she have to learn and I have to make videos. So we gonna work together, y'all. And I'm just gonna get my seasoning. Season your potato with your oil. You know, whatever season you're using in your house, you know what you use to make your food taste good. And then basically what I'm gonna do, I just pulled this out. This wasn't about the potatoes. I'm going to sit them on the side. All in here. Next to this chicken. I'm not going to get another pan. I'm just going to let it roast in here with this chicken. All this is quick, it's simple, nice rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna make a what type of salad I said I'm making? A Caesar salad to go with this. A couple of these potatoes. You'll have a nice piece of this chicken in the oven, 350 for an hour and 15 minutes. We'll be back. Oh, we'll be back when it's done. Okay, guys, we're back. Look at my chicken. That chicken is beautifully done. I cooked it for 2 hours. They say a perfectly cooked chicken. You see the thing is popped up. I cooked mine for 2 hours. I wanted to make sure. It got to be that 120, an hour, 120 minutes in. I was like, nah, that's too light. I want it a little bit more crispy. But that came out great. So guess what? On to what? My Caesar salad. Caesar salad is simple. It's easy. I'm just doing a little bit. Guys, this is not dinner. This is what? A rough cut of lunch. That's all this is. We just doing some lunch here. And it's simple. You just got your Caesar salad, some Parmesan cheese. Put some of that up in there. Nice. Is how much you want is up to you. Take you some what? Nice croutons. I love croutons. Why I sound like that? And just sprinkle up in there. Not that many. I don't like them. More presentation. That's my crouton. It's that simple. That's my Caesar salad. So, put everything to the side. Put everything to the side. This chicken has been sitting for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And we're going to cut it. Yes. Let's move the Caesar salad out the way. We're going to sit it right here for a minute. And I just want to cut this chicken. And we're going to put it on this cutting board. Oh, I just made my Caesar salad at. And we're going to go straight down the middle. This is a good knife. I got to be careful with this knife. Break that backbone. Let me take this leg off. Oh, look how juicy this is. You know what I need me? One of those knives. One of those forks. I don't have a fork. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to cut no chicken. I'm trying to get it without pulling it apart. There we go. I'm trying to put a hole in my pan. Y'all see, I didn't put any juices in this chicken. And it made its own juice. Look at that. But hey guys, look. I cut my rotisserie chicken. I ain't a good cutter. But I got that leg. What's that thing called? That leg. I got the leg up off of there. And guys, this is my salad. So I'm going there with my hand. Because guess what? I'm eating this. This is my lunch. But this is my Caesar salad. It's light. It's simple. And this is just what? For me. So, not something too heavy after all the Thanksgiving meals. But I did me what? A rotisserie chicken. Some seasoned roasted potatoes in a Caesar salad. We're going to clean this up. Because we got to take a thumbnail. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. If you want to become a lit member, it's in the description below. If you want my flour, it's in the description below. Yeah. Rotisserie chicken, roasted potatoes, Caesar salad. A nice lunch, a nice dinner is up to you on how you want to cook it. Oh, wait, not how you want to cook it. When you want to eat it. It's lunch for us today. Could be dinner for you tomorrow.